Hello Lady Trans Lovies, I'm your girl Lady, bringing you your hottest news. So if you're new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and also leave a comment below. Sean Pisane, as she was known as Sean Pisane before, MaMkhize, MaMkhize, is actually giving every guy that thinks can date her. She wants someone who is very intelligent, someone who's very tall, someone who thinks they can date her, and someone who thinks they are rich enough. She wants someone who loves people. She wants someone who will not compete with her son Andile Mpisane. If you think you have all those qualities, then you can contact MaMkhize for utando. She is actually looking for some love after her first marriage didn't work out with Mpisane. So she is actually available. So if you actually think you can date her, or if you love her, then you can just put your CVs. Okay guys, I'm out. Till next time.